Hey guys, Pete Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard. I'll give you a nice profile shot here. We have a full black hull with rally red gel stripe. You can see some of our accent lighting here. Again, we'll address that inside the cockpit as well. Our power tower and our power package is black twin Mercury 250s. Let's go take a look. Here at the transom of the 280 SLX, you can see our beautiful sun pad. This is the dune color interior that will continue out through the cockpit. Sea deck on the swim platform, same exact thing that'll carry out through the entire boat. We do have here, right on the sun pad, a stereo remote, nice and handy. USB and USB-C charging. On our power tower, we do have the extended sunshade. I do have it out right now, but if we want to tuck it in, just push it in nice and easy. Again, manual. Making our way inside the boat, you can see, again, that accent lighting. Same thing, you could actually change different zones on the boat. You could have a different color here, outside, and in the bow. Our tower is electric. Controls will be right here and at the helm. If you want to actually lower it, nice and easy. It'll actually go all the way down. Inside the cockpit, very spacious L-shaped seating right here. Seating over there as well. Behind our helm seat, very handy fridge. Storage underneath all of our seats here. On our port side, our co-captain's chair will have its own individual bolster. We can actually spin our co-captain seat and our helm seat into the back so it can join all the seats back here as well. Making our way to the helm, double wide seat for you and your co-captain. Twin Simrad displays, our Fusion stereo remote. Again, a lot of the brains for Sea Ray is going to be right here in this screen. Or you could switch it up however you want. GPS, depth finder, the whole nine. Our trim tab system, both our throttles, articulating wheel, and our very, very handy joystick. Port side will be access to our head compartment. Very convenient light in there. Lockable storage right here. Making our way to the bow. Individual armrests. We're gonna have cup holders in very, very convenient spots. Storage here and storage back there in the ski locker. This is one of my favorite aspects right here. We are gonna have twin storage compartments, but this one, you can actually open it all the way up and it will give you access. Very, very deep storage. That is housing our bow table right now, our bow filler cushion, and our cockpit table. All the way forward, we do have our windlass anchor with control, so you can actually drop it from here and back at the helm as well. We have a sprayer up there as well. Again, if anchor coming up a little bit dirty, you can hose it right off. All right, guys, again, 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.